Hey, this is how I keep my old lathe looking sharp. Sharp, huh? Let me turn this microphone around a little bit. Have to loosen it. Get that cord out of the way. I hope you're all doing good. I'm taking a wiping down this old machine with a rag with kerosene on it. And it's an old trick. It keeps the paint looking fresh and the bright work bright. Now, another trick to make an old lathe look pretty good is dig out all the screws. See, none of the screws on this machine have paint on them. And it's a real subtle thing. Sometimes it's where the paint isn't that makes it good. I hope you're all doing good and your election went the way you wanted and you voted for the best politicians money can buy. Okay. I thought I'd give you that tip on how to make your old lathe look good. See, shine up all that stuff. See, I scraped the paint away from those areas. No paint on there, on any of that stuff. All the Allen head bolts dug out, and it just stands out. Okay, enjoy the slideshow, and I will be back. Well, I got a little boring bar mounted here, and I'm going to grind the face of it. See if I can get that out of there. One-handed. I'm going to grind this top face. It's got some waves in it or something. This is I'm going through boxes of old stuff, and this showed up. And it's a good bore. I just need to flatten the top of it. So I will do that at the end of the slideshow. Okay, I got that little boring bar. Going to grind the top face of it. I've got it in a V-block mounted in a Rotadex, an All Tool Rotadex. And that's what the setup looks like. Up close here, you can see that. Okay, now I'm going to try to grind it from this side, but I might have to go to the other side. We'll see how that works out. This needs to be tight. Okay. So start moving that tool into the wheel. Now it's a carbide tool and a diamond wheel. Make sure everything's tight. Looks good. Getting, oh, there we are, we're there. I'm going to feed it in about 2 thousandths at a time. I'm going to peek at it from the other side here pretty quick. I believe I got it. I'm going to feed it in just another thou. Yeah. Okay, we'll pull that out here and look at it. Nice and straight. Now the more you grind down, the more you have to rotate that up to get on center, having this in a standard boring head. And I like quite a bit of rake on these things because I'm taking light cuts with a tiny nose radius. Okay. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the slideshow.